Yo, we got some Schindler D series. Those are indicators. It's just super sunny, so it's hard to see them. This one's here. Huh. Maybe it just didn't register my call. 15? Yes, it's unlocked too. The indicator just dropped frames there for a second. What? Oh, it changed before it did the animation. Let's hear the chime. I think there's another pair of elevators down there, so I'm gonna go investigate that. Does it not chime? All right, hold on. I'm gonna see for a second. I'm gonna let the arrow turn off, and then, or maybe it does just do that to let you know it's sitting on your floor. I think it actually just does. I think it just sits like that. All right, Schindler. Yeah, strange. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna send it down the floor and then call it, because I want that good, nice Schindler chime. I love the M/D series chimes. Huh. Hear the door opening? Doesn't chime. It chimed in the lobby. Hold up. I love the push of those buttons. Very satisfying. This is at the Sercotel Sorolla Palace. Hello, I have very messy hair right now. I need a haircut. Buttons. Why is the in-car indicator smaller than the lobby indicators? They're discriminating against people like me who have crappy vision. How dare they? Oh, this is a neat little mezzanine floor. And there's that other set of elevators, so I'm gonna go film those. Anyway, let's see if we have a chime here. That one left. Damn, I just want the chime. Well, I don't think I'm gonna get it, so that will be it.